So in this next set of questions, we are going to create Weldment segment. We are going to modify the corner treatment within the Weldment part. We are going to add some gaps to the corner treatment. We are going to add end caps. So in this question, we are going to open an attached file called B, and we are going to use the square profile, and then we are going to measure the mass of all the segments created. So let's open the file B. So open the file. So with the file open, we are going to use the square Weldment profile, and we are going to use, from the question, we are going to use the end butt corner treatment to join all the segments. So let's do that. So we are going to use the end butt 1. And we are going to add a new group. So we are going to add a new group, and we are going to select the top side. So we are going to add the end butt 1 as well. Okay. So after adding this, we are now going to measure the mass. So go to evaluate mass properties. So we measure the total mass as this. So in the question, what is the total mass of all the Weldment segments in grams? So the mass is given as this. Okay.